Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to run and compile simple Java program. So before that, we need to know what are the things we require to have it in our system before we proceed towards any Java programming. So I'll tell you what are the software we need to have in our system. So yes, we need to have JDK 7 installed in our system. JDK is nothing but Java Development Toolkit. So it has JRE and JVM in it. JRE is Java Runtime Environment and Java Virtual Machine. So JDK also involves compiler and class libraries. So I'll tell you from where you can download the JDK 7. So just go to Google, type JDK download. The first, or you can open this. So it is little slow, sorry for the inconvenience. So anyway, the website which has opened right now, you can always download JDK latest version from here. As you can see, lots of links available on the website from where you can download the JDK version. So for suppose you have a Windows of 64-bit, so you can download this link, or if you have a Linux of 64, you can download this link. So after accepting license agreement, you can download this. So now we will go to what else we require to have it in our system before we proceed in Java programming. So we need to have Eclipse. So I am using this program on Eclipse Luna. Luna is not the latest version, but I am using this right now. You can always download the latest version, which is Mars. So I'll tell you from where you can download the Eclipse. Simply go to Google, type Eclipse download, open this website. So depending upon the system bit you are using, you can download the Eclipse. Suppose your system is having 32-bit or 64-bit, so depending upon that you can download the Eclipse version. So once you download the Eclipse and you have given the path in your system, just open that software. Suppose I have given the path of the Eclipse in my document folder under Java download Eclipse. So open this eclipse.exe. As you can see, Eclipse Luna is opening. So it will ask for the workspace path. So workspace is nothing but the program where the place where your program will save. So whatever you will do in Eclipse will go and save into this path. So say OK. Oh, I have to close the earlier. I have already closed the Eclipse, so I'll just close it. Sorry, I have already opened the Eclipse. I'll just close it and open it again. Yeah. So say OK. So now you can see the Eclipse UI has opened now. Just ignore that. So to run the simple Java program, what you need to do is to go to File, say New Project, Dynamic Web Project, say Next. Give any project name to it. So I just say Test. Test name is already exists, so I'll say Test1. Say Finish. So once you created a project, that will appear in on the left hand side of your Eclipse. Just right click to that. As you can see, I have just now created test1 project. So just right click to that, say new, and what we are going to have, we are going to create a class in it now. So to run a simple Java program, so we need to create a class. So I'll just say class and give a class name. I'll give it as simple Java program. I need to have a main method in it, so I'll just check this box which have a public static void main method. So I'll explain you what is public static void main in it. Say finish. So now you can see the class which you have created, simple Java program, has been appeared on the Eclipse. So I'll tell you what is public. Public is access specifier. It means it will be accessed publicly. Class is nothing but a blueprint or template to create different object which define its properties and behavior. So it can contain method and field in it. But now I am showing you the simple Java program. So without creating any method, I'll show you how to run and compile it. Now what is this? This is a main method. Main method means program will run, the code which you are going to run should be under this main method. So public is, as usual, it is access specifier. Static means it doesn't belong to any object, which means you don't need to create any object to call this method. Void means you doesn't have any return type, and main is a method name, main method. String is an arrow of string, and arg is the name of a string. So you can also find it about this once you scroll your cursor. Right now it's not showing, I don't know. Yeah, as you can see, if you scroll down your cursor towards each term, you can find it out what is what. So now once you created a main method, what we'll do next is we'll say sysout control space. So this is the println method where you can print whatever you want. So system here is a class defined in java.lang.package. Out is a static member. Println is a print stream method. So whatever you have to print, you can print it over here. So just I say hello world. See, so I have created a simple Java program. So I'll save it and run it. So we'll say run as Java application. So as you can see, whatever I have mentioned in this println method appeared as an output. So this is how you can run a simple Java program. Now I'll tell you how to run another program using an object creation. So we'll create another project. Say new project. Next I'll say project name as vehicle. Vehicle is already existing, so I'll say vehicle 1. Say finish. So as you can see, vehicle 1 project is appeared over here. I'll say new class. So I'll give this class name as Honda 1 because I have already created one class as Honda earlier. So we'll have a main method in it. We'll say finish. So right, just now we have created a class name as Honda 1. So we're going to have a method in it. So I'll say public void. So Honda is a class of a project vehicle. So we'll have a method in it which defines its behavior. So I'll say break. Method should always end up with open braces and close braces. So as you can see, we have just now created one method. So all the methods should have open and close braces except the abstract method. Abstract method doesn't have open and close braces. So we'll discuss about abstract method later. So whatever we need to print, we can print it over here. Sysout brake is fine. So we have just created a method, so I'm going to create another method as public void. Again, we are not going to have any return type of it. Speed method should always have this out control space average speed is 45 km/h. What is should, yeah, so whatever you print, you have this, whatever statement you're going to print inside your println method should be enclosed with the double inverted. So once you created the method, now we'll create an object to call this method. So how we'll create an object? Object will create with a new keyword. So we'll have a class name Honda1 H equal to new Honda1. So we have created an object. Now we can call this method. So H dot, so whatever method we have created over here will come into this. So H dot brake. Now see what it happens. We'll save it and run this program. Brake is fine. As you can see, whatever we have mentioned inside the brake method appear as an output. So similarly we can call the another method H dot speed. Now you can see what will be the output. As you can see, brake is fine, average speed is 45 km/h. So we have an output of both the method now. So this is how you can run and compile a Java program using an object creation. Thank you.